And now a sneak peek at the next The Chicken Sisters.
Welcome to France, where friends are family, all right? Good to see you. All right.
Pastor McGregor?
Yeah, sweet tea's always sweetest from you, Mrs. Hillier.
I bet you say that to Gus, too.
No, ma'am. No, she scares me.
Huh, me too.
He was flirting with you.
Shauna, he's a man of the cloth.
He's still a man.
Not everything is a romance novel, Shauna. Would it kill you to read something else? I'm gonna lend you my copy of The Secret Life of Bees.
Well, look at him hard at work. Did you say something to him?
I might have given him a little nudge.
The Chicken Sisters on Hallmark Channel.